At Axolt, we are redefining how finance teams operate in a fast-moving enterprise landscape, where turning purchase orders into vendor bills is still manual and fragmented for many organizations. With our automated purchase order to vendor bill workflow within Agentforce, we transform accounts payable through conversational intelligence. It begins with intuitive discovery. Gone are the days of navigating complex filters. With Agentforce, users use natural language to instantly retrieve actionable data, such as purchase orders from the last 30 days, the previous month, the current year, or filtered by a specific vendor. Upon retrieval, Agentforce brings order to chaos. Purchase orders are automatically visualized and grouped by vendor, providing a clear, consolidated view. Our multi-PO architecture enables bulk processing, allowing users to select multiple purchase orders in one go. When you move into bill creation, the system maintains these vendor-based groupings, ensuring unrelated transactions never overlap. Precision is paramount. That's why we've integrated OCR for vendor invoices directly into the workflow. Users can simply attach a supplier invoice, PDF or scan, and Agentforce extracts key details and line items, then instantly cross-references them against the selected purchase orders and existing Salesforce records. Crucially, the system supports intelligent reconciliation. It can match OCR-detected items to PO lines, flag variances, quantity, price, tax, and suggest the correct mapping, while also surfacing any additional related purchase orders for review. Once verified, a single click finalizes the process. Vendor bills are generated for the relevant purchase orders, correctly attributed to each vendor, and logged instantly, ready for approval and payment. Together, these capabilities simplify how finance teams search, validate, and convert purchase orders into vendor bills, while maintaining clear vendor separation and auditability throughout the process.